1st of March 1982 at 5 to 7. Telling, isn't it?
Yeah.
There wasn't that much really on telly that day. I got to be honest, it was grandstand for about 5 hours. And then, as I said, 6:55 was Doctor Who. But if you decided that Who wasn't for you and you were watching BBC Two, then you could watch a programme called Mr. Smith's Favourite Garden. And it says in the blurb, Geoffrey Smith shows us how he designed and built a herb garden at the back of his own home.
Oh my God!
His own home.
He put his garden at the back of his own home.
His own home.
Fucking idiot!
I'd love it if he put it at the back of someone else's home.
It's like changing rooms where they don't know. What the fuck is this?
Fuck you think? I've got you some nice begonias. This crazy paving here. Well, I'm Mr. Smith and I have a Luger. All right, you carry on, Mr. Smith. I'm going to do some ornamental planting. In about 3 months, these bulbs will spell Oh, Mr. Anyway, sorry.
A wheezing groaning sound.
It starts with someone being strangled.
Yes.
That's the first thing you need.
Yes.
Sure, why not? And
Who is it who gets strangled?
He is, isn't he a doctor? Isn't he a live-in doctor, are we told?
So he's the doctor we're expecting.
No, I think he's the guy who's looking after the Cranley in the attic.
So not Sting's mate. That's someone else. That's the guy who went and woke him with Sting, isn't it? The other fella.
It's 1925, and the TARDIS crew, they land at a train station. Super exciting, and there's a long chat about that, and then they get picked up by friends of the family of the Cranleys.
But you also get Adric going, what is a railway? And you're oh, fuck off, space boy.
Why don't you lay down on one and we'll find out?
I'd be so sick of it by now. It's like going away with Crocodile Dundee.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, fuck off. Just buy a book.
You must know, exactly. Yeah. So they get picked up by the Cranleys, and they have a game of cricket.
Oh, sounds painful.
But I like the ominous, we've been expecting you, Doctor.
Yes.
Like, oh, I hope this pays off. It doesn't.
No, it never does.
But you think, oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
The cricket match.
So they go to the cricket match, and I have got no notes on the cricket match because it is
I wrote
boring.
Down middle stump.
Middle stump. Is that a thing? I don't know cricket. Is that something you say?
No, I don't know.
No idea. Also, they say to him, are you a slow or a medium bowler?
Oh, yeah.
And he walks off ominously and says, fast. Enjoyed that.
He's good at cricket, but he's not
very good,
amazing at
Oh, is he not? I don't know.
I don't know, but like he's made it his whole identity is cricket.
Yeah.
He's gone, I'm cricket now.
He's like people who wear Ramones t-shirts.
yeah.
Name a Ramones album.
Actually, yeah, you're right. If he's completely synonymous with cricket all the time, he should have been stupendous.
Like, if you think
like
about...
he knocks a cricket ball into space.
Yeah.
You're all like, wow.
Yes.
Tom Baker in The Android Invasion gets 3 bullseyes immediately at darts. He's not covered in darts everywhere.
That's clearly because it's a pub game.
Yeah.
And Tom... billiards? Yeah, right, Tom, you know you're good at that.
We arrive at the house, and so that's what you do, isn't it? You go, you play a game of cricket, and then you have a party immediately afterwards
Yes.
with like an hour in between.
You have a bath.
I have a bath.
Yes, well, I'm ready for a bath.
The second case of mistaken identity happens.
Oh, yes.
Which is that Nyssa is mistaken for Anne.
How do you do? How do you do? How do you do? How do you do?
The doctor says we haven't got any costumes, I'm afraid.
Yes.
And they say, wow, I was just about to say yours are very good.
But
he says, oh, don't worry, we've got a spare costume box. We'll soon knock you into shape or something.
And then they get all the... Imagine if it had been, I don't know, just like a gorilla. Really?
Well, they open the box and the doctor's clearly gone, fuck off, I'm having that one.
And this is for you, a pantomime horse. And this is a native costume. No, we can't do that. We can't do that.
Put that back in the box.
Boot polish, if you could just... No, we can't do that. Come along, Tegan, put it on.
So then they all divide up and go into their various rooms.
Yes.
We get some lovely Davidson
Chest action.
Chest action there. As he does what every dickhead does at a party, which is have a snoop round upstairs.
Yeah.
It's like...
Have a look.
Yeah.
Literally, this is what you do at other people's parties. Oh, no, they've got 2 copies of 50 Shades of Grey. That's insane. Why have they got that?
And I
One
love
for
the
best, one for use.
Dead butler in a cupboard.
Yeah.
One for best, one for use.
To be fair, he has a snoop round because his costume's gone.
Yes.
And the secret panel door is open.
Yes.
And he goes in and he gets locked in the secret panel doors.
So he's looking for his celery.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anywhere he can find it.
What costumes are Adric and Tegan meant? Is Tegan meant to be like a pixie?
I'm not sure.
Tegan is
yet.
meant, I'll tell you, because it was in the extras.
Oh, good.
Tegan is meant to be a rose.
What?
Huh?
A rose.
A rose.
Okay.
And Adric is meant to be a pirate. Also, that we know that the actress playing Nissa is wonderful at playing two parts.
Yes.
She has range.
She really does.
Range.
Well, this is where their ruse is introduced.
A ripping wheeze.
A lovely ripping
Lovely,
wheeze.
isn't it, when she's chatting to herself.
Sniffy, yeah.
What's that? You've never heard of cocaine? Oh, it's really good for you.
Father, she says she's never had a cocaine. Why are you sitting perfectly split down that sofa?
Why do you never interact in any way?
Touch her, go on. It's nothing to do with the special effects, I just want you to touch her, go on.
This, once again, is never referred to again. She says the only way you can tell us apart is through the world's smallest skin blemish.
Tiny mole.
Yeah,
Which is
tiny
hidden
mole.
under a tiny strap. That small.
We've both got different initials in our knickers.
I liked it when Adric couldn't tell who she was until she came over and basically said,
Coke or Pepsi.
until she
Couldn't tell if it
said,
was butter.
she comes over and basically says, "You're stuffing your face, you fat." He goes, "Oh, it's this."
That's my Nissa.
Imagine if it wasn't. Imagine if that was like, no, man. Just immediately hate you.
Here's
Every
the
single
mole.
person at the party walks over to make a comment. Have you had enough, you fat little fuck?
The chap who is having a lot of bother. He can't breathe well. He can't walk well.
Got no tongue.
He's got no tongue. But he's suddenly, this chap, who's having a rotten old time of it, always tied up. As soon as he's out and nimble, he can walk around like anyone's business.
Yeah.
And he's got
spry.
He's very spry
Spry.
suddenly. And only when he's back into, so he does a lovely dance with Anne.
Yes,
and they dance
right.
inside. And only then.
Danced all night.
Yeah, he's suddenly all
Yeah.
when he's got her alone.
My favourite bit of this episode, by miles, is where Nissa's being throttled
Yeah.
by the Harlequin man, and a butler comes to save her, but first you have to put a pot down.
Oh, this thing's bloody priceless.
Come on, priorities.
I'll be right there, madam.
That butler is given short shrift for the fact he's literally been murdered. That body just lies there and everyone's like, how's Anne? Oh my goodness, Anne, are you
Do you
okay?
have any family? I don't
Excuse me,
know.
Your Lordship, I was planning on getting murdered round about 7. Would that be okay for you? Yes, fair enough.
The doctor's got dressed up in his... So the Harlequin costume's been put back.
The back, yep.
He hasn't put on the mask and gone... It's a bit of a weird smell. And then he goes downstairs. At which point I wish this story had been re-edited.
Right.
Where you weren't aware that the costume had been stolen. And for the first half you just thought the doctor had come downstairs and gone and then tried to strangle someone. And then the doctor's come down and they've gone, you've assaulted this woman.
Yeah.
And he goes, no I didn't.
No.
Yeah.
Which in the current era, you sort of think this is quite a bad. So we only if he just comes down and goes, you're wearing exactly the same clothes. No one knows who you are. You won't tell anyone your name.
You've just been witness murdering someone and trying to murder someone else.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't me.
We're pinning a lot of this on you, I'm afraid, sir.
It's like no, the doctor's absolutely screwed this.
He's really screwed because when he gives his explanation, he's like, "I'm an alien space traveller."
He's quite mad.
No, you're not, are you?
Shoot him. Exactly.
So yeah. Anyway, the doctor then they go, well, you got to come to the police station. Absolutely fair enough. I'm completely
Yeah.
on their side here.
Well, he
come
basically
with you.
gives up, doesn't he? Because he's
Yeah.
like, "Oh, if you insist,
Yeah.
fine."
And they go, can we go to the train station for a bit?
Yeah.
In a really crucial
for a bit.
scene. Yeah. And
I think I'll prove that I'm innocent if we go to the train station. What really could happen if you're a policeman? You're thinking, well, he'll just get on a train and run away.
Hang on, you're trying to escape in 3.5 hours' time. I'm not having that.
It's very important to me prove my innocence if I buy a ticket to London, please.
Oh well, we better let him do this.
so
To the airport.
they go to the police station where they found the TARDIS.
And the doctor
on the
produces
R.
a key from his Harlequin costume.
Yes.
She's also
Sad,
got-
isn't it?
She
It was on a
obviously
string.
kept taped to his thigh.
Yeah, I reckon it's on his thigh.
So they go back. They use the TARDIS to go back to Cranley Manor.
Feels a bit.
It's always interesting when the doctor decides to just let anyone on board.
Isn't he? Hasn't he always been a bit like, well, we mustn't reveal. You know, we might go to the
it's
past.
that sort of Star Trekky element of
No,
we
come in
mustn't
this-
interfere.
Yeah.
Except he constantly
But
does.
as soon as there's a sniff that he might get some jail time, he's like, "Oh, have you seen my TARDIS?"
So the driver's left going, yeah, they'll be out any second now. So they catch him 8 hours later having a fag in the middle of the night. Just him going, fuckers.
Meanwhile, the other brother. The older brother has escaped from his bindings, which he seems
Stop
to do.
tying him up.
Yeah,
Stop
Doesn't
tying him
work,
up.
does it?
Sedate him. Something. If you've tied up someone and they've escaped twice, Don't tie them up a third time. Or lock him in a cupboard.
So then he grabs Nissa
Yeah.
and runs upstairs.
Classic King Kong manoeuvre.
It really is, isn't it?
Yeah.
To the roof.
To the roof. Peter
Yeah.
Davidson negotiates Nissa back.
This is what I don't understand, by the way, is
Yeah.
that Lord Cranley,
Yeah.
he's like, well, I'm going to climb up the building. And Davidson goes, well, I'll go in the house and go the normal way. Why don't they both go in the house and go the normal way?
It's a little bit of jeopardy, isn't it?
He has to
Yeah.
run through the dry ice machine as well.
I still don't know, even at this stage, what the motive of anything is. What's going on?
We've denigrated into a man trying to take a woman to a roof in a fire. That's what the whole episode is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then he hands over Nissa. His brother goes to hug him.
Yeah. It's like, oh, fuck off, I'm not gay. He falls off the roof.
Schoolboy reaction to...
No, it's such an anticlimactic ending.
Yeah, and then cut to, they're doing the classic saying thank you to the Doctor outside the TARDIS ending. Thank you, Doctor, for what?
Yeah.
He has done. If he has done nothing. If he hadn't arrived, nothing would have happened.
That's very
Turned
true.
up with someone who's a doppelganger of someone who created so much confusion.
And that fat little shit ate all the buffet.
It's Harvest Festival tomorrow, and that little fucker is eating an entire fucking sheath of bread the size of a fucking peacock's tail. Get the fuck off our planet now!
But please, have this book that the man you murdered wrote.